Happy birthday!
This is what it looks like. Today's video has two of my favourite things: baking as a surprise and singing my heart out at Coldplay. I cannot sleep, so I'm already up. It's actually way too early for this, but I'm so excited for you to watch this video. Rosie has no idea what I'm doing for her, so make sure you watch this video to see her actual reaction and the behind the scenes of all the baking that I'll be doing. And if you didn't get tickets to watch Coldplay, then you might as well just watch this video because I am going to be filming everything tonight. We have a lot to do today. Let's go. 15 minutes until the show starts. We're getting excited. Our seats are so good. You can see the stage. I got told they were meant to come out at 8:15, it's now 8:25, 10 minutes late, still waiting for them.
Since the start of the tour, One Tree Planted have planted one tree for every ticket sold.
Please make some noise for
Coldplay! That's what I've been. When you feel so tired you can't sleep. All the color, the way.
It has finished and we are on our way out now. We're trying to get an Uber. We have to go near the station and it's so busy. Hello guys, it is the next day. I had the most amazing night at Coldplay last night, honestly. If you can get tickets, go. We are now going to start. I am today making my cousin Rosie a cheesecake for her 19th birthday, which is coming up. And she has no idea that I'm making this for her. When I was speaking to her about if she wanted a cake, she said no. I was like, right, okay. In my head, I'm like, I'm gonna plan something good for you. So we are going to be making her a cheesecake that I've never made before. I don't make many cheesecakes as it is. I only really ever make them for Rosie. But this is very different to a normal one. I'm gonna make it really thick, which I haven't done. I've only made like smaller ones. And make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see her reaction. I'm so excited to give it to her and to celebrate her birthday together. So first up, we need to make the base of the cheesecake, which is digestive biscuits and butter. Okay, digestive biscuits are done. This is going to be a very big cheesecake. I can tell by how many digestive biscuits are in here. Now we need to melt the butter and mix it all together, and then that will be the base pretty much all done. The base is now all done. This is honestly the thickest base I've ever done, so I'm so intrigued to see how it turns out and actually how thick it will be once we take it out of the tin. But now I'm going to put this into the fridge whilst we make the cheesecake filling. That's only 3 ingredients. It's double cream, cream cheese and icing sugar. Look how much cream cheese I need for this recipe. This is 6 tubs of cream cheese. I'm worried because these 2, I think I've used them before for a cheesecake and they haven't worked. So we're just gonna hope that the other 4 that I know definitely do work counteract it. I'm gonna add in the icing sugar. Look how silky this mixture looks. I'm actually worried because look how much cheesecake filling there is. Like, there is so much. If you don't think it's gonna fit all in here, guys, pause the video now and comment down below if you think all of this will actually fit into here. This is full to the brim. Let's just hope that it actually sets with the different cream cheese that I've put in there. Hello everyone, it is the next day now. It's actually Rosie's birthday today. I have the cheesecake in front of me. This has been in the fridge for 24 hours now. I also made some mini cheesecakes, so I had some spare mixture. So I thought, what about if I try to take these first and see what's going on, see if I can tell. So we'll take this out. Guys, look at that. Oh wow. I'm actually so impressed. I just don't know how I meant to get this out. This is not looking good. Gonna be totally real with you guys. I'm building a sweat doing this, but I think we've done it. Look how big that is. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is massive. I'm literally holding the cheesecake in my hand right now. Put it down really carefully. Oh. I accidentally just put my finger in it. Okay, we'll have to try and cover that bit up. I might actually go round with my offset spatula and just smooth it all out because it looks a bit like it's overflowing slightly. So I might just do that quickly. Let me like clean these bits up. Perfect. Now let's put on some chocolate. I'm just gonna do, don't know if this will drizzle around the whole thing. So I'll start with like a small section of drip. I've done a few more. This is what it's looking like. I'm gonna put the strawberries on now. I have all the strawberries. I think I might like pile them on top of each other in the middle. Look at them, perfect. I am all ready to leave for Rosie's party now, and the cheesecake is finally done. This is what it looks like. I'm so happy with how it's turned out. Let's go give it to Rosie and see her reaction. I hope she likes it. We're about to give Rosie her cake. Let's go see what she thinks.
Oh my goodness, is that a cheesecake?
Yeah, it's a cheesecake.
Oh, that's my favourite!
Chocolate strawberries on
I'm
top.
excited to eat that. What is it?
It's just a normal vanilla cheesecake with some chocolate and then strawberries.
Amazing, thank you very much.
Right.
Hi vlog. Happy birthday to you. Happy